Hello from Promed. Today we will see the working of triglyceride reagent. The kit contains one bottle of triglyceride reagent R1 and one bottle of standard of 200 mg concentration and instructions for use. We recommend all users to read instructions carefully. Apart from this, you may require additional items like blue and yellow tips, well calibrated pipettes, timer, etc. Before performing the test, let us have a look at the procedure. Triglyceride is a ready-to-use reagent and hence there is no need to prepare the working solution. We need to take 3 tubes, one for blank, one for standard and one for test. In the first tube of blank, we will take 1000 microliters of reagent only. In the second tube, we will take 1000 microliters of reagent and 10 microliters of standard. In the third tube, we will take 1000 microliters of reagent and 10 microliters of patient sample. Mix this reagent mixture and incubate at 37 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. As explained, we have taken 3 tubes. Now this is a 1000 microliters pipette which is well calibrated, and this is our R1 bottle reagent R1. We will take 1000 microliters or 1 ml of this reagent in all 3 tubes as mentioned earlier. Make sure there is no air bubble while taking the reagent. We have taken reagent R1 in all 3 tubes. Now we will take 10 microliters of standard. This is a well calibrated different pipette. This is a standard bottle which is of 200 mg concentration. We are taking 10 microliters of this. Wipe the tips and mix this in the second tube marked as S for standard. Mix it thoroughly. Change this tip to avoid contamination. Now take a new tip and take 10 microliters of patient sample. We have taken 10 microliters of patient sample and we will put this in the third tube marked as T, which stands for test. Mix this thoroughly and incubate this mixture for 10 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. Once this is done, you can program triglyceride on a semi-automatic biochemistry analyzer. As you can see, we have already done that here. You can refer to the instructions for use for all these values. Select triglyceride and these values can be taken. Aspirate water as the machine says. We are now aspirating water. Please remove the tubes after aspiration. Now the instrument is asking to aspirate reagent blank. So take the first tube marked as BR and aspirate it. After a small lag time of 4 seconds, the instrument will calculate the absorbance of the blank. Make sure to save these values. Now it is asking to aspirate standard. Take the second tube marked as S and aspirate the standard. Again remove the tube after aspiration, and after a small lag time it will calculate the absorbance and factor of the standard. Save these values and rerun and aspirate the same tube again marked as S to get the standard concentration, which should be around 200 mg. We are rerunning the same tube marked as S. So now we will get the standard concentration, which should be around 200 mg after a lag time. Our value is 202.8, which confirms that the reagent is working fine. Now aspirate the third tube marked as T, which has the patient sample. After a lag time, we will get the patient result. The concentration of triglyceride in the patient is 123.5. For expected values, refer literature. Thank you.